In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to email on Framer. We'll walk through a simple way to make any text or button on your Framer site open your viewer's default email app with a pre-filled recipient address. This is perfect for contact links, support buttons, or portfolio inquiries, and it only takes a moment to set up once you know where to look. First, open your Framer project and head into the editor. Take a moment to decide what you want to turn into an email link. This could be a piece of text that says something like "email me," or it could be a button in your navigation or footer. For this example, we'll focus on text, but the process is exactly the same for buttons and most other clickable elements. Click to select the text layer you want to use as your email link. When it's selected, look over to the right side of the screen, where the Properties panel is displayed. This panel shows all the settings for the element you've clicked on, and it's where we'll add the email link. Near the top area of the Properties panel, you'll see a section labeled Link. Under that, there's a label that says Link To, with a text field to the right. This is where you tell Framer what should happen when someone clicks your text. In that field, you're going to type a special format called a Mail To link. It starts with the word Mail To, followed by a colon, and then your email address. It should look like this: mail to your email example.com. Replace the example with your actual email address and make sure there are no spaces. This simple format tells the browser to open the visitor's default email client, like Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail, and start a new message addressed to you. You don't need to add anything else for a basic setup, but you can always come back later and extend this with a subject line or body text using additional parameters if you want more control. Once your Mail To link is in place, look for the option that controls how the link opens. Framer lets you choose whether the link opens in a new tab or not. For email links, either option works, but many people prefer to keep the visitor on their site, so you may choose not to open a new tab. Pick whichever behavior matches your design and user experience goals. And that's it. Your text is now an active email link. Preview your project, click the text, and you should see your email app open with your address already filled in, ready for someone to send you a message.